Okay, so first you want to make sure that you pull up the school's website, which is www.mwsd.cc. Once you get here to the school's website, you're going to click on the menu button, and that will bring up the menu of everything you can access within the school's website. So if you scroll down to where you see library resources and click on Destiny Library Catalog, then you can see that you can have the option to choose high school, middle school, or elementary school libraries. So we're going to look at the high school library since that's where we're located. And once you get here, you can use this box to look for any of the authors that you're interested in reading. So you can see here that I've looked for all of these authors before. So I'm going to show you today how to look for an author and then how to see if the book is in the library. So I'm going to type in Holly Black, who's an author that I like to read, and click the enter button, or you could click the search. And then this pulls up all the books that Holly Black has in the library. So you can scroll through those. Now over on this right-hand side, it'll show you that one of one copy is available. And if the copy is not there, if the book is out, it'll show 0 of 1 available. You can also click on the details of the book to read about it, make sure it's what you want, and then you can use this button to add it to your list of books that you might want to check out in the future. And that is it.